miensa ena igina homa proper decentralization. We have a democratic decentralization and now say devolution. The decline ude tumino ebeba potemu eho. Eno ye transfer of authority. Constitution no aye wakasa say assemblies no and the highest political authority in that area. Now, one deliberative functions, legislative functions, and executive functions. That is a woman to me shembra, one more to me person, one more to me eshemambra yetuma. If I look on national level, the executive functions are separate from legislative functions. But over this assembly, or the certain meaning in our home. And idea about a Yama decentralization, but Yaka decentralization. But also any transfer of resources. Resources in Mexico, but human resource and financial resource. Constitution no make provision for this assembly common fund. Also, Act 936 so Abma assembly kwama woman to make it financial resources so it has been catered for to some extent. And now 2003 you pass a Local Government Service Act. And also it was to transfer human resources working with assemblies in India to that local government service, so that women now they don't belong to the civil service, but only belong to local government service. They are also an attempt to have human resource transferred to the assemblies. Near Aka, more decentralization, any accountability. Now accountability we are usually where they now. Man for say Ukobuska Hong Kong there be you can't decentralization accountability and your person saying Nipane Gu assembly hono. Why ena womo ebu nkonta achire no. Menka sika Hong Kong tanko. But womo adwuma ye no, they are accountable to who? Send your TSA. Apart from assemblyman, elected woman, the DCE is not accountable to the people. Government appointees, they are not accountable to the people. Meanwhile, you say at the end of the year, Potemuho Abain. Na Abaya na Mamua ye no. Ya from Potemuho for no. Na obiti baby na wakisu nkrufo de ababeka ho. That is no proper decentralization. Enti ampa eduru bribia SSA DC fo nyina yeto omuso aba. Afi no government appointee SSA assemblyman bia answer na bako assembly ho no. O de abato ne ko. Then it means all the people there, they are accountable to community. No, one year, community na timi himu free ho through abattoir. Namu me advice kakra memma. As I say, Akufo to try saying obeya beto DC swaba, but he started by tackling Article 55.3. A banning political parties from sponsoring candidates for district or sub-district level elections. Now, Akufo represent a yenko referendum. Na yenko ye no free ho. That just a political parties intimate sponsor. Well, men the Mimaguen say. Still, I say the political parties, but assembly concept. Isan say yes potemu amamu. Some potemu so key people like him for yentimi you move free. Yepe say yenya assemblymen woman so added to the human resource capacity of the assembly. As also civil servants but constitution no abane as nananum from active partisan politics. Wabane civil servants and a lot of people are womunya atim potemu rubino. Enama juma omuyinti constitution abane womu from active partisan politics. And the moment Yabeka say yeah, amend Article 55(3). Now, my political parties here, DC, MPP sponsor candidate, CPP sponsor, NDC sponsor, assemblyman, Sahara, party. It means Nananum cannot go to assembly. Nananum cannot have any assembly. Meanwhile, because constitution abandon woman. Meanwhile, as here, and I have functions of the assembly as well. A year, Potemuwa, Dananuma, Womon Sasia, Yakabu, your friend district, you know. Nimpuntu and a yen. So, how can you leave them out? And secondly, Nia Pasubako, the way yeah primaries, MPP, NDC. Title women come the MPP for. Sikapia a warrior primaries. So who can say a Kotua by DC? Now Suyana West, MPP field the candidate. Any bad 9 the head corporate. And 9 April, if we have 600 delegates, a Kotuaba. A selective Mubako, Amafi Wabe Jina as DC candidate for Sunyara West. Make Jessica. Now, Zoom is Odipano 600 people, no. Niparu 4,000, and 2,000 more will be a ASN. Now, DC, you know, may party to Sumi. Delegates, you know, me kia bribe more. No, much you me. Now, say, meba, the Sunday, now fortunately, Sunan West vote for Mamia. Meba be DC ya, PISN. The whole 4 years, primary Sirika may spend the, you know, market intimin tikano. And there is nothing like free lunch. Everybody said, common fund in a bar. Now, I said, me pay for women CB. Yeah, my contract about Consiganasa. Because I mean, baby, I mean, pay Bossian the big Pia, primary residence, me. General generator fund, yeah, I'm fine. Inti, say about to about DC, moi. Yeah, my party bias wants anyone. Because primaries in our economy, Sikapiana also do. Until say, you may run through was it, Nanum, 8 active partisan politics, which I don't advise. Because, Ushe Sabium Poika, and at the media, party politics in Tim Rant, ye beating a yeno. Nasa Nana be the Hukoko Jimwa. Ebema Sabu Nanam and Munyama Yawomo Monabeko from Kakra. I don't subscribe to Mubaba.
Honorable.
Let us at
whether Adaman the Crackra Muno and some more what they are my age, where they told. Now we're non Yabetua. Or more tenor of office, no be MPD before 4 years, and now say, Tisanka, the way you are appointed will be AMC. DC no one home den na bibia yetumi no emfa ne ebretenti an na braka krabia we du akonya no so we no amfa complacency ankrofo KB mamu se nipa no nim se 4 years age se asom ya koto abansana yetumi yi nti de opa bi obey against wenu amampani de wotumi se oye bibi na nya na omode monso ani a yeja okwan de fofraba
oh yamrati mi ba ya yetimi ja kwa se assemblyman o he constitution no mu a we assemblyman just 4 years at any particular time wadwuma nso anya community no constitution a kire kwan a wo mu betimi afaso ayiwadi na electoral commission aya abato foforo. Indeed, the same thing can apply to the DC. You will be our assembly hall. Because I don't know, and say you are now going to be accountable to the people. Indeed, senior constitution is elected assemblyman